Okay guys, came across this little gem here today. What it is, it's a Waterbury Radium alarm clock. I started to do a little research on it, and the first search result that comes up is about the Waterbury Radium girls. Let me see here, there you go. Evidently these were the ladies that painted the dials for these Waterbury Radium clocks. And a large number of them died from cancer. Upon telling my wife of these new findings, the cool looking old Waterbury Radium alarm clock is finding a new home out in the back of the shop. Kind of a cool clock. Just getting ready to work on it, find some knobs to turn it and stuff, but yeah, it's going to retire out here in the shop. Make sure to check us out, vintageclockparts.com.